Hey my glam kids, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm back with another Nykaa haul. You guys love watching my haul videos, so I thought of sharing. Again, I have been buying a lot of things from Nykaa from past month and a half. So I thought of collecting all of the things together and then share it with you. So it's not something that I have purchased everything on one go. I have got 5 boxes in front of me to share it with you guys. Not each boxes have a lot of products, but yeah, I think 3 boxes have got a lot of things to share. But before we begin, if you are not subscribed yet, then please take a second and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell next to it so that you're never missing out on any of my future uploads. I upload very rarely these days, but I do upload on my YouTube because YouTube is my first platform where I love to come down and talk to you guys. So please make sure that you are hitting the notification bell before leaving this video. So yeah, with that being said, now let's actually begin this video because it's going to be a long one. Okay, so first I am opening this box. I got it I think around 25th of December if I'm not wrong. Kit from the Face Shop. It actually came in this transparent bag like this, and I think the Face Shop has collaborated with someone, MS Coco Queen. I think I will be using this as my beach bag for sure. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I would have broken something. Inside this bag there's this pouch which is again so cute. I love the colors and everything. So in this we have got chia seed hydrating trio kit. Really looking forward to try this kit out, and I love chia seed, by the way. You have got toner, there is a lotion, and all of these product contains vitamin B12. Let me just open it and see how's oh wow. Okay, it smells nice. I'm going to dig my finger because it's a little dirty. And by the way, I've also taken out this jar which you also get in this kit. Believe in what you wish for. It has got this small chits inside, and what I did was I've written down all of my wishes which I wanted to achieve in this year, and I have kept it in the corner. I'm not opening it. I will be opening this 1st Jan of 2022 to see that what all of my wishes have came true. I hope everyone's wishes come true. Next thing you get is the foaming cleanser, Twinkle Party Herb Day 365 Master Blending. It's not opened, I think. I do like the one I'm using currently is Peach, and I really like that one. It contains lemon, grapefruit, citron and pamplemousse. It has got 170 ml of the product. And by the way guys, I will be mentioning the prices of all the products that I don't know the price right now in the description box, so please check it out for that. And then you also get Rice Water Bright sheet mask. I've never tried this sheet mask, but I love the Rice Water Bright range. Their cleansing oil is my most favorite, you guys. I have been using it from last year and a half or maybe more, and I am obsessed with that cleanser. The last thing that you get, I think it's a memo. I have not even opened it. Look at the color. I hope it's a diary. Oh my god, diary or notepad, you guys. It's really cute. I'll be definitely carrying this in my bag. That is it you get in this kit. Moving on to the next product is this Aromatherapy Bath and Body Works body lotion. It's in the variant Stargazing Meditation, and Aromatherapy range comes in this very luxurious packaging. Also their pricing is a little higher. This one was for 1399. It's made with bergamot, patchouli and vetiver. My husband and I both are using this. It's just a good fragranted body lotion. It would moisturize your skin that much, like how you want your body lotions to be. So invest in some affordable one. Also this one is for 1399, so you don't want to spend 1399 every month on a body lotion. Got to purchase this just cause of the bottle, and I will be definitely reusing this bottle over and over because look at this, you can't throw this bottle, it's glass. I love the feel of this. Okay, so now moving on to the next product is this Bronson Professional, what is it called? It's Metal Foot File Scrubber. I wanted this for so long because I've got so much bad feet these days. I think it's because of winter or maybe what, I don't know. So I definitely wanted to get this one, and I've seen so many people using this on TikTok during lockdown. It's just like your normal cheese scraper. This one was for 180 rupees. Is a repurchase my Biotic eye gel. I have spoken about this eye gel so many times. My husband loves this, so actually I have got it for him so that he can travel with this while he's on his tour. It's very affordable, 200. I don't want to open because it's his. So now moving on to this Nykaa Lux Store product. There's only one product, by the way. Too Faced. It's their Hangover Pillow Balm. I have been wanting this from so long, and they have finally launched this. I have grabbed it immediately without even giving second thought. Otherwise I'm very indecisive. This was for 1600. It's very much like plumping collagen lip balm, so it will give you that little bit of tingly feel. Look at the size, it's very big. It's a sponge tip applicator, very soft, big, little bit flat. You see, it's clear. It's very thick as well and very moisturizing. So I would suggest you to wear this during the night, but I do wear it during the day as well. I've got 2 essential oil. The first one is rosemary essential oil. It's empty, guys. I have opened it and I've started using it. The second one is bergamot essential oil. Came in this kind of packaging, small glass bottles. Got both of these essential oils to add it into my hair oil, because I've heard they give you good moisturization on your scalp, also to get rid of itchy scalp. And also I've been trying it from past, I think, a month or so, and I have seen major difference. My scalp feels really nice after I've started using bergamot oil, especially because it helps in getting rid of itchy flaky scalp. Thought of talking about them before I jump onto and crack open another box. Got a lot of products in this box. Few of them are ELF products. So finally ELF has launched in India. ELF is very affordable in US and people rave about their product because they are super pocket friendly. First of all, so on Nykaa as well, they aren't that heavily priced, but I see a lot of their products are really highly priced, but still they are in drugstore category itself. So the first thing that I have got is their eyeliner pen. This is in black color. I don't know if they have got another color. This was for 400 rupees. By the way, I have forgotten to mention the prices of these essential oils. 350 each. I have not even read the instruction and just on the packaging. Wow, looks very neat and clean. Let's see. Oh, it has got this fine tip. It's matte black. Very beautiful, you guys. Very precise tip. You can actually draw shapes with this. It is smudge proof. It's not budging. The camo concealer sponge. I have heard people talking about this back in the day when it was launched in US. Actually, they love all of their beauty sponges. So if this one is good, I'm definitely investing in other sponges from ELF. I've got 2-3 styles. Perfect for your under eyes. It feels so soft. I think I should be doing try on makeup haul next video. Let me know if you want to see that. By the way, this one was for 700, which is a little expensive, but it is very soft. Also, I love the color of it. It's nude. Another applicator blush brush, and this was for 600. It's perfect for your under eyes, for your contour. It's little at from here, like pinched. It feels soft. Definitely pick up another brush today itself, because I think they have got some offers, and I'm shooting this on 26 Jan. By the way, it's Republic Day, so happy Republic Day. I think I usually shoot on festivals and public holidays. First one is in the shade Moody. Beautiful mauve shade, and it doesn't look very shiny or something, so that's why I picked up this shade. Another one I have picked up is in the shade Fantasy, which is very golden glittery. It's very beautiful. Let me open and try it. Sponge tip applicator. It's pinched again. Very thick. So this is the shade Moody. I will try it at the end, otherwise look nice with this right now. Next one is Fantasy, which I'm very excited. This is the shade. It's very glossy and shimmery. Next product is Nykaa Naturals Happy Hills Lavender and Peppermint Foot Cream, because I use lavender a lot for my pedicures. So you know that I never open my products before I share it to you. I really like to share my first impression, that how I like the product. Only few of the products I have cracked open, not every product. Try the fragrance. Oh, it smells like my husband's aftershave or something. Shaving cream smells like this. I don't know how do I feel about this smell yet. I will definitely try it and let you know how I like it. And this was for 249. They also come in another variant if you want to check it out. This definitely reminds me of something of my husband, which smells exactly like this. Aftershave. I don't know what he uses of similar fragrance. I've forgotten to mention the price of this lip lacquers from ELF. They are for 400 each. Next thing that I have got, I've started opening it, is from Simple. This is my very first product from Simple, guys. I think they launched this brand last year or last to last year. Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It's 12-hour moisturization, and there is no artificial perfume, color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, and also there is no alcohol and animal derived product. It contains 125 ml of the product, and by the way, the price 385, and it's a huge bottle. Not too light, it's little thick, and gooey, but it's very watery. It spreads just like that, leaving beautiful hydration on your skin. Love it. Can't wait to get it on my face. It has absorbed already. I will let you know my thoughts in my favorites video. Keep an eye out for it. So I have heard so many good things about this Swiss Beauty concealer. They come in 6 or 5 shades only, so that is why I was not giving them a go. And then one day my sister was like, how is this concealer, have you used it? And I was like, no, I have not tried it, but I've heard a lot of people raving about this concealer. I've got it in 2 shades. The 01 is called Warm Sand, the 03 is Light Moe, that means medium, I think. The packaging is very similar to PAC concealer. It comes in this sponge tip applicator. Okay, I get it why it is raved. It's very beautiful consistency, you guys. Again, the birds have come. When my clock takes 4:40, they have to come say hi to me. I actually talk to them while sitting here every day. My husband is always like, your friends have come, talk to them. This is the shade 03. Can be also blended with your finger. How nice is that? I am already loving it. So I think I got this shade just because I can use it as brightening my under eyes. This is very orange. I definitely have to use this before I use any concealer, but this is still very dark for my skin tone. I do have to mix other shades, so I think 03 will help me with it. I can definitely use this as my corrector. So next I have got Insight Cosmetics Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation. I've heard so many good things on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere about this foundation, so I thought of giving it a go because it's not expensive. It's for 160 only, and I've picked up in the shade 01 Golden Honey. It came in this box packaging, and inside it's this sort of packaging. I hope this shade would match me. So this is the shade. Should have got one shade dark. I think it's very light for my skin tone, but yeah, we'll definitely give it a go. It's very much easily blendable, so you can definitely use your hands, brush to blend it out, but I do want to try it on my face. Actually want to do full-fledged video, the review of this foundation. Let me know if you want to see that in the comment section. I would love to do it. The last box that we have got, first let me show you not too interesting thing, that is this hair color. It's Be Blunt in the shade 3 Dark Brown, and I've got this for my husband. I use L'Oreal hair color. I think I've showed it in my last Nykaa haul. He loves this hair color. Also, this is very affordable, 199 for bigger size, and the smaller size comes for 80 or 90 rupees. If you want to try for your roots, you can get that itself rather than investing in the full kit. My husband loves this because the coverage is very good. I agree, the coverage is very good. Also, it lasts longer than the L'Oreal hair color. Finally, I've got L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. After hearing people on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere raving about this, like this is very much similar to Tarte Shape Tape. So $7.99. They've only got 3 shades, and all the swatches that I was seeing on their page, they were like very confusing. By the way, I've got it in the shade, it's 317 Almond. I've got the darkest shade. So it's sponge tip applicator, slanted. It dries completely matte, and it dries very quickly. I think I can try it without foundation on my skin to see if it works. Actually, before I show you guys this Luxe product that I've got, let me show you one product which is a super fail. It's this Body Care Brazilian Wax. Got it because I'm still not going to salon, guys. I'm just very conscious person. I just try and avoid people. I know it's not like you can't, you have to be normal and everything, but still try not to go to salon at least. So I thought of investing in this. This was expensive, 1100, and let me tell you, this has ruined my house styles. I stuck onto it and it's not coming off. Like literally you have to use a scraper to get the wax out of it. Let me know how you guys use this, if you have used it professionally, because it's just a mess to use it at home. Even on my blankets, bed sheets, everywhere I've got this wax. It was so much pain in the ass to clean this up. I wouldn't recommend if you're like me, clumsy. Please don't try this. It's really bad. Coming on to the last and the final thing that I have got, it's from Huda Beauty, is their Khaki Haze eyeshadow palette. My god, I am so excited to crack open this. Still not opened it yet. By the way, there was some offer. You get mini Huda Beauty lipstick. Oh my god, so beautiful. This is the color I would like to wear all the time. I picked up the khaki palette because I don't have such shades with me. Beautiful smoky shades and your inner corners all sorted. Look at the pigment. Oh my god. This was for 2400, just in case you want to know. Okay, so I've tried these 3 shades. Okay, pigment. Oh, this khaki shade is so beautiful. Matte khaki shade. This is shimmery orange shade, and this is shimmery khaki shade. Let me give you guys. You see? I love it. They're so pretty. Very happy with this. I think I should create a smoky khaki look using this eyeshadow palette and also let you know how it works. Today I have tried this eyeliner, if you can tell. There's a golden one on the black one. Let me show you guys the swatch of that. I'm trying the shade Moody. Okay. Guys, they aren't too thick. The applicator is little flimsy, it's not too hard. I really like the shade. I think it will work beautiful as a lip topper. The lips will definitely look juicier and plumpier, and it's very natural. It's nothing like too much onto your face. The formula is very lightweight, very buttery. Actually, you can use this as lip balm itself. I have not used the shimmery one because otherwise it will ruin all the things on top of it, but this is how it looks. I really like it. Let me know guys which one was your favorite in this haul. Also let me know or give me video ideas in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will be seeing you very soon in my next one. Bye. Love you guys.